Hello and welcome back to our SEO course. In this section, we will delve into some essential search engine optimization vocabulary that will encounter frequently on your SEO journey. Understanding this is crucial for grasping the world of SEO. Let's begin with one of the fundamental concepts: keywords. Keywords are the words and phrases that people use when searching for information on the internet. For example, if someone is looking for a local bakery, they might use keywords "best bakery near me." Let's understand why keywords matter. Keywords are the heart of SEO. They are what users type into search engines. Optimizing your content with the right keywords helps search engines understand your content's relevancy to users' queries. Let's understand ranking. The ranking is where your website or web pages appear in search engines results for a specific keyword. The goal of SEO is to improve your ranking, ideally aiming for the top positions. Let's understand the search engine results pages. When you enter a search query, the search engine displays a list of results on SERPs. SERPs usually include a mix of paid advertisements and organic non-paid results. Let's understand CTR, click-through rate. CTR is the percentage of users who click on your website link when it appears in search results. It's a crucial metric for measuring the effectiveness of your SEO efforts. So let's understand organic versus paid results. Let's understand organic first. These results are those that appears naturally based on their relevance to the search query. And the paid results, on the other hand, are advertisements that appear at the top or side of the SERP. Let's understand on-page SEO. On-page SEO refers to the optimization of individual web pages to improve their search engine rankings. This includes optimizing content, meta tags, headers, and other elements. Let's understand off-page SEO. Off-page SEO focuses on improving your website authority and trustworthiness in the eyes of search engines. This involves building high-quality backlinks from other reputable websites. Let's understand algorithm. Search engines use complex algorithms to determine the rankings of web pages. These algorithms consider numerous factors, including relevance, quality, and user experience. Let's understand white-hat SEO versus black-hat SEO. SEO practices are often categorized as either white-hat, ethical, or black-hat, unethical. White-hat SEO follows search engine guidelines, while black-hat SEO involves strategies that violate these guidelines. Let's sum it up. In this video, we have covered first is keywords, rankings, SERPs, organic versus paid results, CTR, on-page SEO, off-page SEO, algorithm, white-hat versus black-hat SEO. Understanding these requirements is essential as we continue our journey into the world of SEO. In the next module, we will explore the first practical step in SEO, effective keyword research.